287, let's go. In the ArtGola data section, we have added 16 outer tile designs. These are the auto tile sets. So O1 to O16 U designs here. And they have numbers. The number is going to be 1 through 9, and these numbers don't stand for pixel colors. These numbers stand for other tile designs because we're making a fractal. So we go all the way up to design 16. You'll have to get the source code if you want to copy these designs. I'm not going to stop for you here. So then these middle designs, so M01 to M09, these designs are what the numbers in the outer design stand for. So this 4 right here in this outer design 16, that would stand for, if we go all the way down to M04, it would stand for the tiles in this design. And then we have 9 middle designs. Why do we have 9 middle designs? Because the outer designs are only using the numbers 1 through 9. So once we get up to 9, that's the last middle design. And the middle design, the numbers used in the middle design are representations for stamping the terminal designs. So the terminal designs, we also have 9 of those because the middle designs also use the numbers 1 through 9. And these terminal designs, their numbers actually stand for pixel colors. So the pixel colors we're going to use are 1 through 9, and we're going to cluster it in dark gray, 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 dark gray terminal designs. And then after we do the dark gray, we have 3 middle gray designs using the numbers 4, 5, and 6 exclusively. So TO4, TO5, and then TO6. And then after those designs, our last grouping of 3 is the light gray designs that are drawn using only numbers 7, 8, and 9. So TO7, TO8, and TO9. This is the fractal structure of how we're going to render our graphics. People I'm stalking on YouTube, what we did previously, our footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you don't understand fractal graphics, you're going to have to go to the longer video where I give a more depth explanation. Source code, email me here. We're on this video. Like and subscribe.